Hey singers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, let's unpack an important vocal technique, twang. Now, I love twang and it has to be one of the best exercises. I absolutely love twang. It's one of the best exercises for freeing up my voice and just really adding power to my voice. And I know for sure it's definitely going to help you if you're not already including this in your vocal training. So you may have heard of twang referred to as that bright, kind of almost nasal, edgy tone that is in singers like Carrie Underwood and Levine.
For miles and miles and wound up at your door.
And while it can sometimes get a bad rap, twang is actually just so beneficial. So beneficial for your voice when used correctly. So let's get into why. Let's talk about why. So reason one is that twang focuses your tone. It really targets resonance forward, allowing for sound waves to amplify through your mouth and facial bones. And this really just helps to project your voice with that precision that really just cuts through. So reason number two is that it really lifts the soft palate, opening up space in the throat. And this added room just really relieves pressure on the larynx when belting high notes. So twang helps you when it comes to belting safely. And then reason three is that twang really just leads to better vocal cord closure. So twang really helps the vocal cords to come together better for singing, and this is particularly helpful if you have a little bit more of a breathier voice. So it's truly amazing. And then reason four, it adds stylistic color. So when used sparingly, twang can really give your voice that personality and that flair. Think about iconic singers. Twang is often a part of their signature style and sound. So yeah, so those are my reasons why twang is so amazing for your voice and why you should be working on it. But let's just do a couple of exercises to really help build this into your voice. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Wow, 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 wow. Meow, 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 meow. 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 Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. So those were the twang exercises. So remember, twang is another tool that can really just transform your entire vocal range. Do not underestimate the power of twang. Don't underestimate it. But it may take a little bit of practice, but you're going to gain so much vocal control. I promise you, if you just lean into this and get into it. But let me know how you get on with the exercises in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if this video resonated with you, if you vibed with it, then give it the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to dive in a little bit deeper with this twang, then you can download my Voice Savvy app for some free training on there. There's vocal workouts, challenges, and specifically a vocal workout in relation to developing twang in your voice. But yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.